And welcome to Alternative to Net Curtains, part of the Smashgard group. My name's Darren, and in this short video you'll find out who we are, what we do, and more importantly, how amazing our films really are. Just so you know, we're still working as normal through the pandemic, but keeping within all government guidelines, which basically means we're washing our hands, keeping our distance, and wearing masks throughout the installs to keep us all safe. So back to our films, what can they do for you? Well, if you're one of those that hides behind dated net curtains, partially closed blinds, or expensive shutters that enclose you into the room, then we can help to change all that. We install a natural and neutral film to your glass that lets you see out, but stops those outside from seeing in, giving you more light in the room and perfect views out. Why wouldn't you want to stand at your windows watching the world go by, safe in the knowledge that you can't be seen? Of course you would, we all would. With us all spending more time at home because of the pandemic, whether it's because of lockdown or being forced to work from home, none of us want to feel trapped and closed in. We want to see what's going on, who's about, and bring the outside into our home, allowing us to watch the seasonal changes we'd normally miss. That's where our films really come into their own. They look nothing like the silver mirrored films other companies offer. The neighbours won't even know you've had it fitted, and as well as privacy, it'll also make rooms cooler in the summer, reduce the glare on televisions, and dramatically protect furniture from fading. What's not to like? And as a company, we put you first, giving you the best advice and highest quality films. If it won't work, we'll tell you. If you don't need it or we can save you money, again we'll tell you by standing by our motto, your satisfaction is our priority. We want you to tell others how good we are and how amazing our films are, hence our 5-star reviews on Google, Trustpilot and Facebook, showing our commitment over the last 15 years to you, the customer. And as a small company based in Loughborough, Leicestershire, where you are in the country depends on if we can assist you or not. If it's just one window you require coating, then unfortunately we may not be able to help you with the installation, as we would have to add fuel or mileage charges to your quote, something we're against. If it's a number of windows, we can either reduce or even eliminate these costs, again trying to give you the best price possible. Alternatively, we can keep your details on file for when we are next in your area to save you on these costs, or if you fancy having a go, supply you with a film for you to do it yourself, although this isn't always possible and can depend on certain conditions. At the end of the day, we just want to help you get rid of those dated net curtains and give you the privacy you deserve. With over 300 films available, frosted, opaque, mirrored to name a few, whatever your concern, we can discuss and tailor a film to assist you in the best and most effective way possible. So thank you for watching. We hope you like our website, and any questions, please feel free to contact our friendly staff either by calling, email, or by filling out the online inquiry forms. Thank you and stay safe.